Recently on Wild Reborn, don't forget to like and subscribe. Giants of the ice, the woolly mammoth. They were icons of the Ice Age, towering, majestic, and built for survival. For thousands of years, the woolly mammoth ruled the tundra, but around 4,000 years ago, they vanished from the earth, leaving only frozen traces of their past behind. Today, scientists are recovering fragments of that past. At Colossal Biosciences, researchers are extracting DNA from mammoth remains and comparing it with Asian elephants, its closest living relatives. The mission: to revive a cold-resistant hybrid that carries mammoth traits. Using cutting-edge CRISPR technology, mammoth genes, like thick fur, small ears, and fat storage, are being inserted into elephant cells. It's the beginning of a genetic fusion aimed at creating an animal built for the cold and built for survival. Colossal's plan includes growing these mammoth-elephant hybrids in artificial wombs, a revolutionary step that avoids the risks of using live elephant surrogates. But with progress comes responsibility and ethical questions that must be faced. The woolly mammoth hasn't returned yet, but science is closing in. At the heart of the project are 5 bold goals. First, habitat resilience, reviving mammoths to help restore the Arctic tundra. Second, modern elephant conservation, advancing tools to protect endangered Asian elephants. Third, understanding cold adaptation, unlocking how genes support survival in extreme cold. Fourth, advancing genome editing, pushing the boundaries of CRISPR innovation. And finally, demonstrating de-extinction, proving we can bring back what once was lost. The woolly mammoth story isn't just about the past, it's about the future. Reviving the woolly mammoth is more than a scientific milestone. It's a message to the future. Will we use science to heal the planet, to protect endangered species, to learn from our past before it's too late? The story is still being written, and you're part of it. What would you bring back? What future will you help create? Subscribe to follow the journey. Share to spark the debate. Comment with your thoughts, because the age of de-extinction is just beginning.